simple. So now click on next. Okay, wait here. सब कोई यहाँ पे है? Everyone? Let's start as I am recruiter. Click here. Wait. So what it says, hello recruiter, welcome to the journey. This is where all it starts. So guys, जैसे ही ये हमारा देखिए कुछ चीजें पीछे में थोड़ा ब्लडी है. ओके. सो इफ यू सी दिस, यहाँ पे बहुत सारे कुछ है. टास्क बार, एम्प्लॉइज, वाइव्स, रियम्बर्समेंट, कंपनसेशन, अटेंडेंस, लीव, डॉक्यूमेंट्स, everything that a HRMS tool must have. If you guys are working, you already have an access to some or the other kind of HRMS tool as an employee. But here, this is how a HR login looks like, where majority of the HR have the um, admin access, the superior access, where you will be able to review all the necessary areas where HR have something or the other to contribute. And also there is an employee view, there's a recruiter view, there is a HR view, there is a admin view. So generally there are 4 5 kind of logins or different visions are being given, and somewhere employees are the end users. So employee gets a complete different kind of view. If you have an HR access, that looks different. If you have an employee access, that looks different. With HR, you need to work on this platform. As employees, you are just going to go here for your necessary things, maybe for your attendance, maybe for your pay slips, maybe for referring your friends, ex colleagues. It can be anything. Now, since we are into the recruitment, so whatever I'll discuss today, everything will be in terms that is relevant to recruitment stuffs. Okay. So, Ritvik, without making you guys feel more boring, let's click on next. Welcome to your landing page. The overview board is your go-to hub to plan, act, achieve, and repeat. Move to see the different segment on this dashboard. So guys, this is where the overview. आप लोग देखोगे तो on the right hand side there are some interviews that is being already set up, and उनके कुछ feedbacks and things that is already being scheduled. You can check your dashboards from here as a recruiter. There you have a summary जो कि आप पीछे में देख सकते हो, around 32 jobs for which you must be working, which are allotted to you or might be to the recruitment team. Some openings will be for you, some openings for your team. That depends. Okay. Now overview is there. There is job opening, candidate, requisition, my interviews, refer, internal job movements, and offer letters. Definitely at the recruitment stage, pre-offer and offer also comes in this phrase. So we'll check how we land to each and every of this position. Click on next, Ritvik. Okay, wait here. So here we have already got some tasks. Let's say we are the recruiter, and while Sanket or someone said, right, we get the requisition first that there is a job opening, that we have to hire for this position. So similarly, might be the the hiring manager have posted the job or raised the requisition, and that's what has landed on my desk. So you can see that this candidate employee has raised a sales associate position. This is the code, and this is when this was raised and requisition approval. So it's not just about raising a requisition, the requisition must be approved. So for every replacement position or be it a new position. अच्छा, आप लोगों को replacement position, new position, is these terms are clear? Anybody need any clarity? Please tell me now.
Can you explain it, Ankita?
Sure. So देखिए, let's say I have left a job, ठीक है, and my manager has raised a requisition. I need a replacement of Ankita. So what will happen? My manager will go to, let's say, Darwin Box. He or she raises a requisition replacement for Ankita, let's say for the position of HR manager. Now, my manager has raised it who might be a senior manager. Okay. So my manager cannot just go ahead and approve it. Let's say she has raised the requisition. Now that goes to my manager's manager, might be who is the HOD of the department. Now she reviews the, let's say it's a he. Manager's manager might be the HOD. He reviews the requisition. He approves it. Let's say I do not work in HR. Might be I'm working into a different department. Let's say I'm a finance person. So my manager approves it. My HOD approves it. Now that lands to the HR, understanding this requisition. Then HR decides, let's say, who will do this recruitment. Well, Ritvik will do this, Sanket will do this, Meena will do this, Sakshi will do this, Divya will do this. Let's say I got 20 positions. Now I have 5 people. So might well divide each of this position among all my team members. I gave 4 to Ritvik, I gave 5 to Sanket, I gave 2 to let's say Meena, 5 to Sakshi. So it can be accordingly I've distributed the work. So similarly, let's say here, how Ritvik is standing here, he has got, let's say, this 3 positions which he needs to close, where the requisitions are being given to him. Now the sales associate, account manager, and sales associate, 3 positions are with Ritvik. Now, what are these? These can be a replacement position. This can be a new position. Now, if it's a replacement, then I need to know what skill set. Everything will be mentioned in this requisition. The more we proceed further, we will get to understand more in details how it works. Okay. Until this, everybody clear? Any questions? Okay. Okay. Ritvik, do one thing. View on task box. Click box. Sorry. Click here. Okay. Now here you are being given with a task, like there's a telephonic interview for this position. Okay. Now please click on this view detail. ऊपर ऊपर जहाँ पे नदल का नाम था, under that there is a view details. Next one.
This one. Okay.
हाँ, click here. वो open होता है क्या? हाँ, okay. Scroll down. Now this is a summary how it looks like. uh, I think someone has referred it. Okay, let's not go there. पहले हम उस part को complete करते हैं. Click on back. ऊपर. हाँ. Not there, not there, not there, not there. Next. Click on task box. Okay. So here is my interview details. Let's say Ritvik has 2 interviews that are being already in schedule. One is completed and one is about to be done, because that is why this is being highlighted. Okay. So you have the interview schedules here, and also for your information, Darwin Box has a very good thing, that is you. It is connected with Gmail. That Gmeet is also connected. In case if you don't have Outlook or something like that, your Gmeet can be connected with this. We'll come to that later on, maybe. Okay. Scroll up, Ritvik. Please click on next. Okay, wait here. Okay, again, it's taking to the referral part. Let's complete this. So, let's say if any candidate has referred, let's say if uh, Sakshi is one of the employees in this organization. Now, she saw that there is a position of replacement position of Ankita. Now, Sakshi knows that there is someone who can fill this position, or she thinks I must refer my friend. So साक्षी ने अपना फ्रेंड का रेफरेंस दे दिया एज दिस पोजीशन. तो रेफरेंस के हिसाब से people can add here. You can see add referrals, and here you can see someone was already being given an offer. That offer got rejected. Now this is somewhere it's popping up now, but referral comes can be before this. Once we publish a job, then only people can refer. Okay. So reference part आप समझ लो. Once we move to that part, we will come back to this if they allow us in the system. Okay. Any question? Reference को लेके, referrals, sorry.
Ankita, so when a person knows that there's opening in their company, from their portal they will go in and add this information, right? I thought referrals are usually done directly and not on this system.
So what happens, Bina, whenever I have a position, if I, as the recruiter, I publish it in my organization. Maybe it can be over emails, it can be over a link, it can be on our career portals. Okay, any which way that is being marketed that we have a position. Now employees always have friends, and definitely if an employee refers an employee, they also get some benefits, and those are monetary benefits. Let's say if you refer your friend and your friend gets shortlisted, you may get a 10,000, 20,000, based on the kind of amount company has decided. So definitely people go ahead and refer their friends. Their friends also get the job, and they also get 10, 20,000. But it's not immediate. Generally, most of the organization have a standard that people should stay for 6 months, 3 months. They must be a good performer. Then only they pay this amount to the employees. That is a standard referral b- thing that is there. Okay, is it clear, Meena, how it works?
Yes.
Okay. So now once you have published this information, now once you go ahead and click on this link, you refer your friend where you need to submit your friend's CV, resume, email ID, phone number, which is already there, and for which profile you are recommending. See here, it's mentioned that the location, that is Mumbai. Here is the business development field sales. Might be this is the position, and this is like field sales, as in this sub department it could be. So this person was referred, and whoever was referred, the present status is offer rejected. The person might have got shortlisted, and they have rejected it. So it is just the summary. Now, Ritvik, can you please click on view all, if we can just get a glance of it? So wait here. So you'll see that this is how the internal job openings looks like. Now all the positions may not be open for internal job postings. We call it as IJP, that is the marketed term. Okay. So people who are already working in ITs or anywhere, they have often heard of this term IJP, and people who have completed 18 months in their organization, they are only eligible for apply for this internal job postings. Now there are two things. One, where you can refer your friends and colleagues, that is referral, and IJP is internal job postings where you as an employee can apply for opportunities which are open for the internal employees. Is it confusing or is it clear?
It's clear, Ankita. It means that it is for internal posting only. Means someone from outside cannot apply for this role, right?
It may be open for both the ways. It can be people can refer, people
Mhm.
can also apply internally, and it may also happen that few positions are only open internally. Might be it's a very good profile, and people the organization want that they promote someone within the organization. In that case, what you can expect, like someone within the organization they will hire, so they will not open that position for people outside the organization. They will prefer someone who is within the organization. They be given the opportunity. If that doesn't work internally, then we will hire someone from outside.
Okay, got it.
So guys, when it's an internal job posting, only internal employees can apply. And generally, what is the market standard, that you need to complete at least 18 months to apply for an internal job posting. Maybe let's say Ritvik is in Mumbai, but he has his hometown in Delhi. So he wished to take a transfer in Delhi, and he was looking forward for a HR job in Delhi. So once he saw, अरे दिल्ली में opportunity आ गया है, let's try for it. So might be there could be any reason. Let's say someone got married and they are moving to a different city because their spouse is there. Might be they are looking for the job in their hometown. They want to move to a tier one city. It can be any reason. People wish to look for better opportunities as well. So people can go ahead and look for internal job postings, and people are quite happy that the organization I'm working with, they are quite good. I want to stick to this. So those are employee thoughts. But we as an HR, we need to know which positions are for only internal, which are for external referrals, which are for uh, other openings, like where anybody can come and apply and the best candidates to be hired. You're getting my point?
Yeah, got it.
Anybody has any question so far? Okay, fine. um do one thing, Ritvik, please click on view all. Well done. uh, that was a brief overview of how your dashboard would look like. So हमारे डैशबोर्ड्स में क्या क्या चीज हमें देखने हैं एज अ रिक्रूटर, यू गॉट अ ग्लांस ऑफ इट. नाउ क्लिक ऑन नेक्स्ट, ऋत्विक. Now, this is a very important part, guys. Please be very clear. Requisition बहुत important है. रिक्विजिशन अगर सही से नहीं रेज करते, सही से अप्रूवल्स नहीं होते, वी कैन नॉट प्रोसीड फर्दर एंड गो हेड फॉर अ हायरिंग. So, can anybody come and tell me the pros and cons of a requisition? रिक्विजिशन होने से हम लोग क्या बेनिफिट होती है? रिक्विजिशन अगर ना हो तो व्हाट आर द चैलेंजेस वी मे फेस?
If we have a requisition, then we cannot hire anybody else on that position for the same position. I believe.
Definitely, the position is not identified without a requisition.
Right.
और रिक्विजिशन होने से क्या बेनिफिट होता है?
Done. Someone has to fill the gap, right? And there is proper flow of work. So for that, reposition is important.
Yes,
And the
definitely.
right person making reposition is also important, because someone on a junior level making it, they wouldn't know what is important, what are the skills needed, what
Right.
position it is. So that is also there.
The exact kind of job role, the budget, the position, the role details. That is the purpose of having a recruitment. अगर उसकी क्लैरिटी एचआर को नहीं होगी, then we might land up hiring to the wrong kind of candidate. Hiring तो छोड़ दो, मतलब we will source the wrong kind of candidate. Okay. So requisition contains the major important informations, which are like very importantly the budget, then the skill sets that we need, the job role this person will have, and definitely the expected date of joining. अगर expected date of joining नहीं भी होते, but these three I think is very important. थोड़ा 15 दिन बाद भी ज्वाइन करेंगे तो भी चलेगा, but they should have the requisition must have this information. कौन से डिपार्टमेंट में ज्वाइन करेंगे, कौन से डिजिग्नेशन में ज्वाइन करेंगे, जॉब रोल क्या होगी, and what kind of salary bracket we are going to hire this person. Clear, guys? Why we need a requisition? The purpose? Yeah. Okay. So, click on next. अच्छा, सॉरी, अच्छा एक मिनट यहीं पे रुकना. देखो यहाँ पे जो डैशबोर्ड है ना, वी एज एन रिक्रूटर व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू सी टोटल पोजीशंस इन दिस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. वी हैव 74 पोजीशंस. एक्टिव इवैल्यूएशन मतलब कि जिनमें अभी भी इंटरव्यूज हो रहे हैं, इवैल्यूएशंस चल रहे हैं, दोज आर समवेयर बिटवीन 39. एक्टिव ऑफर पोजीशन जो कि ऑफर किए गए हैं 16 पोजीशंस. कैन यू गो क्लिक ऑन दैट बैक एरो? ये हाँ यहाँ पे. एंड ड्राफ्ट पोजीशन इज 11. सो ड्राफ्ट यानी कि इनके साथ ऑफर नेगोशिएशंस लेवल पे है. एंड इफ यू सी देयर आर क्लोज पोजीशन दैट इज 8, यानी कि रिक्रूटर ने 8 पोजीशन ऑलरेडी कंप्लीट कर दिया है. दिस इज द डेटा डैशबोर्ड. सो दिस इज द पर्पस व्हाई अ एचआरएमएस टूल इज बीइंग यूज्ड बाय एचआर पीपल. कोई भी अगर आपको आके पूछे ना, व्हाट्स योर नंबर अंकिता, व्हाट यू आर डीलिंग विद एज अ रिक्रूटर, if you're working on Darwinbox, this is how your workflow or your phrase of work looks like. जिसमें कोई आपको बोलेगा नहीं कि आप क्या काम कर रहे हो, दिख नहीं रहा है. You can easily show have closed 8 positions. You have this many numbers already on your plate, and these are the positions which are already under negotiations. So this is how your workflow is being evaluated, और यही से HR के KRA start हो जाती है. क्या आपको महीने में कितने रिक्रूटमेंट करने पड़े, हाउ क्लोज और लाइक हाउ मेनी यू आर क्लोजिंग, हाउ मेनी रिक्रूटमेंट you are doing. Everything of an HR performance is also tracked